300,000 creators and designers have downloaded Omniverse. Omniverse is not a tool, but a USD network and shared database, a fabric connecting to design tools used across industries. It connects, composes, and simulates the assets created by industry-leading tools. We are delighted to see the growth of Omniverse connections. Each connection links the ecosystem of one platform to the ecosystems of all the others. Omniverse's network of networks is growing exponentially. Bentley Systems Lumen RT is now connected. So are Siemens Teamcenter, NX, and Process Simulate. Rockwell Automation Emulate 3D, Cesium, Unity, and many more. Let's look at the digitalization of the $3 trillion auto industry and see how car companies are evaluating Omniverse in their workflows. Volvo Cars and GM use Omniverse USD Composer to connect and unify their asset pipelines. GM connects designers, sculptors, and artists using Alias, Siemens NX, Unreal, Maya, 3ds Max, and virtually assembles the components into a digital twin of the car. In engineering and simulation, they visualize the power flow aerodynamics in Omniverse. For next-generation Mercedes-Benz and Jaguar Land Rover vehicles, engineers use DriveSim in Omniverse to generate synthetic data to train AI models, validate the active safety system against a virtual NCAP driving test, and simulate real driving scenarios. Omniverse's generative AI reconstructs previously driven routes into 3D, so past experiences can be reenacted or modified. Working with IdealWorks, BMW uses IsaacSim in Omniverse to generate synthetic data and scenarios to train factory robots. Lotus is using Omniverse to virtually assemble welding stations. Toyota is using Omniverse to build digital twins of their plants. Mercedes-Benz uses Omniverse to build, optimize, and plan assembly lines for new models. Rimac and Lucid Motors use Omniverse to build digital stores from actual design data that faithfully represent their cars. BMW is using Omniverse to plan operations across nearly 36 factories worldwide. And they are building a new EV factory completely in Omniverse 2 years before the physical plant opens. Let's visit.
The world's industries are accelerating digitalization with over $3.4 trillion being invested in the next 3 years. We at BMW strive to be leading edge in automotive digitalization. With NVIDIA Omniverse and AI, we set up new factories faster and produce more efficiently than ever. This results in significant savings for us. It all starts with planning, a complex process in which we need to connect many tools, datasets, and specialists around the world. Traditionally, we are limited since data is managed separately in a variety of systems and tools. Today, we've changed all that. We are developing custom Omniverse applications to connect our existing tools, know-how, and teams all in a unified view. Omniverse is cloud-native and cloud-agnostic, enabling teams to collaborate across our virtual factories from everywhere. I'm about to join a virtual planning session for Debrecen in Hungary, our new EV factory opening in 2025. Let's jump in.
Milan is joining.
Hello everyone.
Hi Milan, great to see you. We're in the middle of an optimization loop for the body shop. Would you like to see?
Thanks, I'm highly interested. And I'd like to invite a friend.
Sure.
Hey Milan, good to see you.
Jensen, welcome to our virtual planning session.
It's great to be here. What are we looking at?
This is our global planning team who are working on a robot cell in Debrecen's digital twin. Matthias, tell us what's happening.
So we've just learned the production concept requires some changes. We are now reconfiguring the layout to add a new robot into the cell.
Okay, but if we add a new robot on the logistics side, we'll need to move our storage container.
All right, let's get this new robot in.
That's perfect. But let's double check. Can we run the cell? Excellent.
Milan, this is just incredible. Virtual factory integration is essential for every industry. I'm so proud to see what our teams did together. Congratulations.
We are working globally to optimize locally. After planning, operations is king, and we've already started. To celebrate the launch of our virtual plant, I'd like to invite you to open the first digital factory with me.
I'd be honored. Let's do it. Car companies employ nearly 14 million people. Digitalization will enhance the industry's efficiency, productivity, and speed. Omniverse is the digital to physical operating system to realize industrial digitalization. Today, we're announcing 3 systems designed to run Omniverse. First, we're launching a new generation of workstations powered by NVIDIA Ada RTX GPUs and Intel's newest CPUs. The new workstations are ideal for doing ray tracing, physics simulation, neural graphics, and generative AI. They will be available from Box, Dell, HP, and Lenovo starting in March. Second, new NVIDIA OVX servers optimized for Omniverse. OVX consists of L40 Ada RTX server GPUs and our new BlueField 3. OVX servers will be available from Dell, HPE, Quanta, Gigabyte, Lenovo, and Supermicro. Each layer of the Omniverse stack, including the chips, systems, networking, and software, are new inventions. Building and operating the Omniverse computer requires a sophisticated IT team. We're going to make Omniverse fast and easy to scale and engage. Let's take a look.
The world's largest industries are racing to digitalize their physical processes. Today, that's a complex undertaking. NVIDIA Omniverse Cloud is a platform as a service that provides instant, secure access to managed Omniverse Cloud APIs, workflows, and customizable applications running on NVIDIA OVX. Enterprise teams access the suite of managed services through the web browser, Omniverse Launcher, or via a custom-built integration. Once in Omniverse Cloud, enterprise teams can instantly access, extend, and publish foundation applications and workflows to assemble and compose virtual worlds, generate data to train perception AIs, test and validate autonomous vehicles, or simulate autonomous robots, accessing and publishing shared data to Omniverse Nucleus. Designers and engineers working in their favorite third-party design tools on RTX workstations publish edits to Nucleus in parallel. Then, when ready to iterate or view their integrated model in Omniverse, can simply open a web browser and log in. As projects and teams scale, Omniverse Cloud helps optimize cost by provisioning compute resources and licenses as needed. And new services and upgrades are automatically provided with real-time updates. With Omniverse Cloud, enterprises can fast-track unified digitalization and collaboration across major industrial workflows, increasing efficiency, reducing costs and waste, and accelerating the path to innovation. See you in Omniverse.
Today, we announce the NVIDIA Omniverse Cloud, a fully managed cloud service. We're partnering with Microsoft to bring Omniverse Cloud to the world's industries. We will host it in Azure, benefiting from Microsoft's rich storage, security, applications, and services portfolio. We are connecting Omniverse Cloud to Microsoft 365 Productivity Suite, including Teams, OneDrive, SharePoint, and the Azure IoT Digital Twin services. Microsoft and NVIDIA are bringing Omniverse to hundreds of millions of Microsoft 365 and Azure users. Accelerated computing and AI have arrived. Developers use NVIDIA to speed up and scale up to solve problems previously impossible. A daunting challenge is net zero. Every company must accelerate every workload to reclaim power. Accelerated computing is a full-stack, data center scale computing challenge. Grace, Grace Hopper, and Bluefield 3 are new chips for super energy-efficient accelerated data centers. Acceleration libraries solve new challenges and open new markets. We updated 100 acceleration libraries, including cuQuantum for quantum computing, cuOpt for combinatorial optimization, and cuLitho for computational lithography. We are thrilled to partner with TSMC, ASML, and Synopsys to go to 2 nanometer and beyond. NVIDIA DGX AI supercomputer is the engine behind the generative large language model breakthrough. The DGX H100 AI supercomputer is in production and available soon from an expanding network of OEM and cloud partners worldwide. The DGX supercomputer is going beyond research and becoming a modern AI factory. Every company will manufacture intelligence. We are extending our business model with NVIDIA DGX Cloud by partnering with Microsoft Azure, Google GCP, and Oracle OCI to instantly bring NVIDIA AI to every company from a browser. DGX Cloud offers customers the best of NVIDIA and the best of the world's leading CSPs. We are at the iPhone moment for AI. Generative AI inference workloads have gone into overdrive. We launched our new inference platform, 4 configurations, 1 architecture, L4 for AI video, L40 for Omniverse and graphics rendering, H100 PCI Express for scaling out large language model inference, Grace Hopper for recommender systems and vector databases. NVIDIA's inference platform enables maximum data center acceleration and elasticity. NVIDIA and Google Cloud are working together to deploy a broad range of inference workloads. With this collaboration, Google GCP is a premier NVIDIA AI cloud. NVIDIA AI Foundations is a cloud service, a foundry, for building custom language models and generative AI. NVIDIA AI Foundations comprises language, visual, and biology model-making services. Getty Images and Shutterstock are building custom visual language models. And we're partnering with Adobe to build a set of next-generation AI capabilities for the future of creativity. Omniverse is the digital to physical operating system to realize industrial digitalization. Omniverse can unify the end-to-end workflow and digitalize the $3 trillion, 14 million employee automotive industry. Omniverse is leaping to the cloud. Hosted in Azure, we partner with Microsoft to bring Omniverse Cloud to the world's industries. I thank our systems, cloud, and software partners, researchers, scientists, and especially our amazing employees for building the NVIDIA accelerated computing ecosystem. Together, we are helping the world do the impossible. Have a great GTC.